Assalamu alaikum everyone on my YouTube channel. A warm welcome to everyone. Today we will in this topic discuss about the golden rule of Islam. And that golden rule is loving for others what you love for yourself. The fundamental part of Islam is to love things, the things that you love for yourself, you have to wish that thing for another person. And that is a part of having faith. So if you are a good person, you will wish the same thing for another human being, and that will demonstrate your faith in Islam. So if you are a faithful person, if you are a believer, if you are a mu'min, then you will wish the same things, the things that you wish for yourself. So that is like that. If someone wants good for their own nafs, own self, and also wanted the same things for another human being, that does signify that person is having faith. And what if the another person wants the bad for another human being and wanted the good thing for their own self? So it's a bad news that they are not completing their faith in Islam. As if you are a believer, you have to like the things that you like for your own self, for others as well. So these all things are important in our life so that it can strengthen our iman, strengthen our faith in Islam. So the core part, the fundamental part of being a Muslim, you have to love the things that you love for yourself, for others as well. And that is fundamental part of being a Muslim. So many people wants the good for their own self but not want the good for the another human being. So in that case, people should mend their thoughts, make some changes in their behavior, make some changes in their thoughts to change that and to wish the same good things they wanted for their own self, for others as well. So these things are not seen so big, but it is. These all are the part of having faith. So this is very important because it is being told in the hadith of Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam that if you like something for your own self, you have to like the person for that same thing. So these all things are just mixed up of everything, your faith and what you like for another human being. So Islam emphasizes on empathy, kindness, faith, and these all things are very important being a Muslim. I hope you understood what I'm trying to say over here. So for now, that's the only topic that I'm discussing it. And so till then, take care of yourself. We will meet in the another video with a new topic.